What is up, everybody? Nerocosm here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a recipe I call Hot Daniel's Pancake Cup. Enjoy! Alright, everybody, what is up? Nerocosm here again, and today we're going to teach you how to make this. So, step one, we're going to need a coffee mug, and inside of that, we're going to take some pancake mix. It is called Hot Daniel's Pancake Cup for a reason. And you're going to need like a third of a cup. I only got a quarter cup scooper here, so we're just gonna put more than that in there. Just go ahead and dump that straight in the cup. Let's get us a little more. Alright, there we go. Now after this we're going to put some, so after we get our pancake mix in here, we're going to go ahead and put probably about a tablespoon of olive oil in there. I know what a tablespoon looks like. Alrighty. And then after that, we're going to put probably not a quarter cup, probably about a cup of water in here as well. And then take some butter. I'm just going to want to put a piece of butter in there that's about the size of a stick of a gum. That. I'm going to go ahead and mix it all up. And I guess if you don't really want to put butter in there, you could always just replace the water and butter with milk. So as a thing, just put a quarter cup of milk in there. You want to make sure you get that all nice and stirred up. I was just going to kind of stick to the bottom a little bit, and the bottom will get all hard and burn up and stuff. Now I know it does not look like it's a lot in there, but it is going to fluff up, so don't you worry. So after that, we got it all mixed up. Let's go ahead and take some chocolate chips. I got some vanilla cake confetti ones. Now, you probably don't need that many in there. So let's go ahead and put that many in there. Make sure to do that after you stir it up, or else it'll just get all weird. Then go ahead and give it another stir. Then we're going to go ahead, we're going to pop this in the microwave for 1 minute and 10 seconds. So let's do that. Alright, and we're back. Here's our cup. Minute 10 there. I told you that stuff would rise up, and it's all nice and fluffy, just like a pancake. Now what I like to do at this point, and again, completely optional, I like to take me some syrup, put a little ring around it. I like to let it sit in there a little bit and soak all the way in. That was probably a little too much. So now I'm going to wait. I'm going to let that drip all into the bottom. Now I'm going to go ahead and take me a fork and eat some of that. So there you have it. There's Hot Daniel's Pancake Cup. If you enjoyed the video, let me know. Let me know why. Go ahead and drop a like if you liked it. Dislike if you disliked it, I guess. You do have the right to do that. And yeah. Peace out, everyone. Enjoy. This has been Nerocosm. Have a great day. Go enjoy you a Hot Daniel's Pancake Cup. Peace.